made everything from scratch.
Yeah.
Filling.
Potato, cheese, onion, salt and pepper.
Oh, pretty
Pretty
simple.
But I'm afraid, should I put like, I don't know. I don't know how to do it.
You're worried it's gonna dry out when we boil them, or
No,
when
like
we make
when
it,
it's
when we wrap it?
Before I cook it.
Every time we make, we can add a little bit on our fingers and just rub it up so it becomes smoothened.
Maybe just the surface.
So that's what you do with a Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Like with water or oil.
Okay. We need to divide this into 4.
So tempting. Polish pierogi.
Polskie pierogi.
Polskie pierogi.
Okay.
This reminds me a lot of Ukrainian like things, you know? When Sergi's mom used to make pariniki for me, she did the same thing. Spread this flour out on the table.
What about this?
So cool.
This side.
I don't know how thin it should be. Quite thin, yeah?
Yeah.
But not too thin. Then you take like 1 spoon of this, but not too much. Like make sure you sort of try. Like I think this is enough. And then you make sure to sort of put it inside. Like this. And then
Is there a particular shape you need to show?
Yes.
Yeah, this shape.
Ah, it's similar to Ukrainian dumpling, yeah.
And you just. So good. Okay.
Sushka, would you like to participate now?
Yeah. As soon as I finish filling this.
Oh, I can smell this. Like my grandmother's.
Your skin shines.
Your skin shines.
It's glossy.
But you
You're
put
glossy.
The only thing which is tricky, I think, you can't have
You-
too much filling.
Yeah.
And also you
Otherwise
have
you
to
can't
make
close
sure
it.
Yes.
that it's really well closed.
Is this important skill like in Poland, you know, as woman, like for
Yes.
marriage or
This is-
something? There's
this
always
should
something
be-
like that, you know?
This is like driver's license.
Yeah. You're so much better than mine.
No.
How to shape it so nice. What other things you make it on Christmas Day? Like food?
Beetroot soup, clear one with this one, but inside you put mushrooms and then you do this, roll it like this, and it's called ears.
Yeah. You put them into
The beetroot soup.
beetroot soup. So it's like a dumpling soup.
Yeah.
It's like a
Yeah,
Chinese.
actually, it's
It's like a
actually-
Chinese wonton.
That's true.
Wonton.
I never thought about this.
What?
Bar z uszkami.
Yeah.
It's like Chinese wonton soup because you
That's
put dumpling
true.
in soup. I never thought about it, but it's how imagine like all those traditions are actually
That's
so
very
similar, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so interesting to find those common things.
The sixth one is like considered like little gift. Like you just get a little gift.
Little gift from Santa. That's
Yeah,
sad.
like so that it's not like parents don't have to buy like twice in 1 month big gifts. Like they just it's a small gift, like a pre-gift. Usually some sweets. And in schools there would be Santa coming up like all around the classrooms, and everybody would get a treat.
That's sweet.
Yeah, maybe make some
Yes.
tea.
Did
You can make the big pot maybe.
That's the Maros.
This is how he looks like in Poland.
Does he?
Yeah.
So he's
What's
wearing
weird about him?
he's wearing the red dress, like
It's not a dress, it's a coat.
yeah, like a coat. But
Yeah.
usually the Santa Claus has shorts and boots.
Oh no,
It's
no, no,
different.
no. For us it's
And
similar.
he's also holding this magic wand, like you see?
Yeah, it's in Poland. It's like that.
Yeah,
It's very
see, you
similar.
guys have similar culture.
Yeah.
And you know, Sergio told me there's a bunny, rabbit next to him always,
Oh,
not instead
oh,
of
I don't know.
reindeers.
I
Look,
don't- we don't have
there's
bunny.
a tiny bunny. See?
Or maybe sometimes we have bunny. Do we have bunny with
Yeah.
Santa Claus
Similar.
sometimes?
That ugliest one is mine. Video? Oh, photo! I didn't like move.
heaven. This means like it's so good.
Вкусно.